Shankwaila will done. You can tell Sino Afro. Dadyaha Washi Foster FATAKI Kings Laushi. Oliza Sino Afro. Guys, hope you are doing well, and today we are going to learn another unease dance tutorial. Hope you're ready. Hope you enjoyed the class. Let's start. And the first move is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Here. After here, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here. After here, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. After here, we're gonna do a slide. 1, bounce. 2, bounce. After here, then again 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. After here, again slide. 1, 2, bounce. So when we reach here, we're gonna do 1. The hands like this. You're here, it's 1 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3. Ta, ta, 4. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 8. After here, we're gonna do left hands here and the right up, like 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After here, then again 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 2. Pa, pa, 3, ta, ta, 4. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 7, and 8. When you reach here, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change 1. Change hands 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you finish here, this is the chorus and a little bit freestyle. After freestyle, again from top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here. After 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. After here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slide, bounce, slide, bounce, and 1, 2, 3, 4, slide, bounce, slide, bounce. After here, again, 1, 2, tap, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 8. When we reach here, again up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And freestyle. After freestyle, finish. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. I'm FATAKI Kings. Oliza Sino Afro. I love you guys. I respect you all. But don't forget to like, subscribe our page. Sino Afro. Respect.